All right, we got another cold start, 2006 F250 with a 6.0 Powerstroke, 4-inch straight pipe, EGR delete tuned. That's really about it. Blue spring, all the little common little things, but it's about 5 degrees, Central Texas. We never get snow. This is the second time this year. It's never snow this much. I mean, this isn't even the amount of snow we get or we've gotten in the last 10 years. Definitely the coldest too, so it was about 5 degrees last night. I think it's about maybe 15 right now. So it's pretty damn cold for us. It's like powder snow too. Truck does have a slight misfire, which you might be able to tell on video, but we'll see.